Happy greetings to all. I am Nana Samudra from grade 7C, studying in Acharya Bala Shiksha Mandira IIT Chimar campus, Tengadittu. I am from Fire Kingdom. Today I am going to read English reading called The Moon and the Man using Crazy Professor method. Let's start. Step number 1, silent reading. Step number 2, loud reading. Monans and the sun often said, look at the big golden moons in the sky. Tell us about it. What's in the moon? But the Monan couldn't answer their questions. He couldn't tell them what is in the moon because he didn't know anything about it. One night when the moon was full, Monan and his two sons went into the forest to look for gulls. Gulls are the worms 2 or 3 inches long with a white flesh. They live in the ground. Other kinds of gulls live on the trees. Aborigines like to eat gulls. They throw them into the hot ashes and cook them for a few minutes. Step number 3, loud reading with action. For many people, laugh at them of their meal. But the Aborigine says, why do you laugh? Oysters and frogs are uglier than the gulls and the Europeans eat them. Look at the tall tree, Monan said. I will climb up to the top and I will get all the gulls off it. Then he climbed up the tall tree. He climbed higher and higher. He was a quick climber. But the top of the tree was the tallest in the forest and it was the hours before he got to the top. Look at the father, shouted one of his sons. He is in the sky. Monan shouted down to the boys. Can you see me? I am miles off above the earth. I can touch the moon. Father can touch the moon. Oh, he is too high. He will fall. Come down, father. Come down. You are too high. You will fall, shouted Naren and Kalba. Step number 4, loud reading with action and expression. They shook the tree and called out, come down, you will fall down. Don't touch the moon. The tree was tall, but it wasn't very thick. When the boys shook it, they shook the top of the tree too. Monan was afraid. They were shaking the tree too hard. He thought they will shake me off it and kill me. Then Monan climbed off the tree into the moon and they can't shake me out of the moon. He thought. But the top of the branch of the tree broke as the Monan climbed into the moon. He couldn't climb down again. Naren said, let's climb the tall tree and pull father out of the moon. Naren and Kalba climbed all the trees near them, but the trees were not as high as the moon. And the boys couldn't reach their father. They climbed the trees after day after day, but the trees were not too short. The boys looked for the taller trees. They climbed hundreds of trees, thousands of trees. Their hands became into the claws, and the fur grew in their body. And the long tail came to the tree boys, and they changed into possums. The two possums looking for their father even today. They sleep in the daytime, and the night time they climb the tall trees and look for the Monan. And every night Monan sees the man in the moon, looks down and sees his sons. Step number 5, paraphrasing. I learned from the stories misunderstanding between the fathers and the sons. Thank you. Love you all.